Freshworks CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses streamline sales, marketing, and customer support. Here's a quick guide to getting started with Freshworks CRM. Set up your account. Sign up for Freshworks CRM by creating an account. Once logged in, customize your dashboard to reflect key metrics like sales performance, leads, and ongoing deals. Add contacts and companies. Begin by importing or manually adding contacts and companies into the system. You can organize your contacts using tags and segments for easy management. Manage leads and deals. Use the lead section to track potential customers. You can convert leads into deals when they show interest. Manage deals through a visual pipeline that allows you to monitor the progress and status of each opportunity. Automate workflows. Leverage automation features to streamline repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails, reminders, and task assignments, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Utilize reports and insights. Access analytics and reporting tools to gain insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and team effectiveness. This data helps you make informed decisions. Engage customers. Use Freshworks CRM's integrated communication tools such as email and chat to engage with customers directly, ensuring a seamless experience.